Hey, how you doing, fellas? To this video is to show you how to change a broken sprinkler from I think it's called Rainbird, that comes with this kind of pipe. Okay, so you're gonna go to Home Depot. Oh well, first of all, let me show you the broken one. This is the broken one. It goes like this. So this is the broken one. It was right there. Okay, so this is the part that I replaced. They sell them at the Home Depot. This little T with a male. Okay, and this is the broken one. So what you're gonna need is one of these tools. This is an extractor, a broken. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it there, and it locks in it inside, and it just removes the broken one. So this is the broken one. There was part of it right here. Okay, so you're just gonna go to Home Depot and get the same one. In this case, I bought two of them, so I already have one here because my kids have a big yard here and they like to play, and their little friends come over and they step on the sprinklers and they break them. They kick them, sometimes on purpose, I think. So anyway, I already replaced it. It used to be here, so I moved it a little bit. So what you do is, these do not come off, okay? This pipe then does not come off, so you have to cut it. Used to be right there, so I just cut it on both sides, and I use this. This is how you cut them. This is one of those ratcheting cutters. So what you do is you just start ratcheting. Look at that, this is beautiful. It's super strong. They cut them really easy with no effort. So yeah, so this is another tool that you're gonna need if you're gonna replace some sprinklers and cut some pipe. And then you're probably gonna need some of these to remove it or to tighten it up. This is some adjustable locking channel locks, and maybe some Teflon, because I put it here. This is a new part. So that's it. So first you're gonna put yourself a little tray to collect all the dirt, so you don't make a mess on your yard. See, as you can see, there's a tray right there. So you dig your hole all around it. You collect your dirt on a tray, and then that's it. You connect the other side. This looks like a breather. So this is the way it goes. Very easy. And then at the end, you're gonna put all the dirt back to the height that you want. In this case, it has to be a little bit below, or just level. Here needs to be level with the grass, so they don't kick it again. Try to put it as low as possible, because if you leave it high, they will kick it or trip over it. Okay, so you just put it really tight, not super tight, because you're gonna need to adjust it depending on the flow. See right here, you got to look on the exit of the sprinkler. So it's got an arrow here that says going that way. See the arrow? So then you just got to make sure that arrow points in the direction that you want. Right there. There you go. See, it's right there. And then we're just gonna adjust it. So looks like it's gonna be perfect right there. So I'm just gonna start putting all the, oh, and by the way, these connections, they don't need any they're pressured, so they lock themselves. When you push them in, they lock themselves, so you don't need to use any brackets or anything. See, like right there, they have some sort of a mushroom that locks it when you want to take them out. So just cut them. All right, so that's it right there. You just put them at that level, and then fill it up, clean your area. these are the tools again. Get some gloves so you don't get yourself really dirty. So I really don't like being all dirty with that mud. All right, so I'm gonna put it all the dirt back. Okay, fellas, that's it, nice and covered. And right there, this is pretty much the same for the other kind. This is the other kind that you would use when they have this type of connection. They have this female, and they have PCP pipes. It's the same. You're just male and female, and you're gonna need some of these for the old style. This one goes on the base, and this one goes on the sprinkler. So it's the same system pretty much for all of the sprinklers. So these are just the tools that you're gonna need to replace them. So there you go, fellas. This is how you replace a broken sprinkler when you have a bunch of kids that comes and kicks them. All right. Goodbye. Like and subscribe.